In the heart of the Julian Alps in Slovenia lies a place that looks like it was taken straight out of a fairy tale. Lake Bled. With its emerald green waters, a tiny island crowned with a church, and a medieval castle perched on a cliff, Lake Bled is one of Europe's most enchanting destinations. The centerpiece of Lake Bled is, of course, Bled Island. In the middle of the lake sits the Church of the Assumption, its tall bell tower rising gracefully above the trees. To reach the island, visitors take a traditional wooden boat called a planta. Rowed by skilled oarsmen, these boats have been carrying travelers across the lake for centuries. Once on the island, it is tradition to ring the church bell and make a wish, a ritual believed to bring good luck and happiness. Overlooking the lake from high above is Bled Castle, one of the oldest in Slovenia, dating back over 1,000 years. With its stone towers and red rooftops, the castle offers a glimpse into medieval history, as well as stunning panoramic views of the lake, the island, and the surrounding mountains. Inside, visitors can explore a museum, a chapel, and even try their hand at traditional printing in the castle's workshop. But Lake Bled is more than just history and scenery, it's also a place of adventure and relaxation. The lake's calm waters invite visitors to swim, row, or paddleboard in summer. Around its shores, a scenic walking and cycling path circles the lake, taking about an hour and a half to complete. Every step along the way reveals a new perspective of the lake's magical landscape. For those who seek more adventure, the nearby Julian Alps and Triglav National Park offer endless opportunities for hiking, climbing, and exploring Slovenia's natural beauty. Trails lead through alpine valleys, past waterfalls, and up to mountain peaks where the views stretch as far as the eye can see. Lake Bled is also famous for its culinary delight, the Bled cream cake, known locally as kremšnita. This delicious dessert, made of layers of puff pastry, custard, and whipped cream, has been a symbol of Bled since the 1950s. No trip to the lake is complete without sitting by the shore, enjoying a slice, and soaking in the breathtaking view. What makes Lake Bled truly unforgettable is its atmosphere. In the early morning, mist often rises from the water, giving the island and castle a mystical appearance. By day, the sunlight makes the lake sparkle like a jewel. And at sunset, the whole scene glows with golden hues, creating moments that feel timeless. Beyond its beauty, Lake Bled also carries traditions and stories. For centuries, couples have come here for weddings, with the groom carrying the bride up the 99 stone steps to the church, a test of love and strength. Festivals and rowing competitions add vibrancy to the lake throughout the year, celebrating both culture and community. Whether you come for romance, adventure, or peace, Lake Bled offers an experience like no other. It is a place where nature and history come together in harmony, where every view feels like a painting, and where memories are made to last a lifetime. So, if you are searching for a destination that is both magical and real, look no further than Lake Bled, Slovenia's crown jewel. If you enjoyed this journey to Lake Bled, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss more hidden gems from around the world.